Hi, my name is Kev Webster, and for the last 5 years I've been successfully writing video sales letters and explainer scripts on Fiverr.com.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
The one thing that I noticed when people asked me to write their scripts was their lack of confidence to do it for themselves. In this course, I will teach you the exact process that I've used to write over 500 scripts. The great news is you can apply my 3-step formula for any business, online or offline, to get amazing results and increase sales. I'll also teach you how I make very low budget but highly effective videos using my favourite free online graphic services, and share some key tips and tricks about recording yourself on screen, both indoors and outdoors. After taking my course, you will be writing video scripts like a pro and be able to create your own homemade videos with minimal expense. I also share where I found the best voiceover artists and how to get their very best prices. Are you excited to get started? Okay, let's begin.